Bikram Yoga and tips. A path to transformation. Bikram Yoga, often called hot yoga, is a transformative practice combining a fixed sequence of 26 poses and 2 breathing exercises performed in a heated room. Developed by Bikram Choudhury, this discipline is designed to improve flexibility, strength, and overall wellness by leveraging the benefits of a warm environment. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a curious beginner, understanding the essence of Bikram Yoga and following some essential tips can help you fully embrace its potential. What is Bikram Yoga? Bikram Yoga is a structured 90-minute class where the same sequence of 26 poses and 2 breathing exercises is performed in a room heated to approximately 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, with 40% humidity. The heat is intended to simulate the climate of India, where yoga originated, and offers various benefits. 1. Increases flexibility. The warmth allows muscles to stretch safely and deeply. 2. Detoxifies the body. Sweating helps eliminate toxins. 3. Improves circulation. Enhanced blood flow nourishes muscles and organs. 4. Builds strength and stamina. The poses target different muscle groups and challenge endurance. Tips for a successful Bikram Yoga practice. 1. Hydrate beforehand. 1. Drink plenty of water. Start hydrating the day before your session to prepare your body for the intense sweating. 2. Avoid overhydration. While hydration is essential, drinking too much right before class can make you uncomfortable. 2. Dress lightly. 1. Choose breathable fabrics. Opt for moisture-wicking and lightweight attire to stay warm. 2. Minimal clothing. Many practitioners prefer shorts and tank tops for better airflow and ease of movement. 3. Arrive early. 1. Acclimate to the heat. Spend a few minutes in the studio before class starts to adjust to the temperature. 2. Pick a comfortable spot. Beginners may choose a location near the back of the room to observe others. 4. Focus on breathing. 1. Practice controlled breathing. Deep, steady breaths help manage the intensity of the heat and poses. 2. Engage with pranayama. The class starts with breathing exercises to set the tone and rhythm for your practice. 5. Pace yourself. 1. Take breaks when needed. If you feel overwhelmed, sit down on your mat and rest. 2. Listen to your body. Skipping a pose or modifying it if necessary is okay. Why practice Bikram Yoga? Bikram Yoga is more than just a physical workout. A mental and emotional journey cultivates discipline, focus, and resilience. The consistency of the sequence allows practitioners to track their progress over time and develop a deeper connection with their bodies. Key benefits include: 1. Improved mental clarity. The heat and focus required can bring a meditative state. 2. Stress relief. The intensity of the practice helps release pent-up tension. 3. Weight management. The calorie burn during a Bikram Yoga session is significant. 4. Enhanced confidence. Mastering poses in challenging conditions boosts self-esteem. Final thoughts: Bikram Yoga is a rewarding practice that challenges both body and mind. By embracing the heat, the sequence, and the discipline it requires, you can experience profound physical and mental transformations. Follow these tips to make the most of your Bikram Yoga journey, and remember, it's not about perfection but about showing up and giving your best effort.